Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Summer is here, and what better way to keep your drinks perfectly chilled than with a portable ice maker? Whether you're at home, camping, or on the road in your RV, having fresh ice on demand is a game changer. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best portable ice makers that combine speed, capacity, and convenience. Let's dive right in. Number 5. EUHOMY IMFP Ice Cube Maker Machine Countertop. For those who need high volume, the EUHOMY Ice Cube Maker with 45 pounds daily capacity is the ultimate powerhouse. It offers 2 convenient ways to add water, either by filling the large 3.2-liter reservoir or using a water bucket with a diameter less than 2 inches. This machine produces 24 clear ice cubes per cycle, each cycle lasting 12 to 18 minutes. You can even adjust the thickness of the cubes to suit your preference, perfect for crafting cocktails or chilling your favorite drinks. The digital LCD display and timer make this machine very user-friendly, allowing you to schedule ice production up to 8 hours in advance. Safety features include automatic alerts when the water is low or the ice basket is full. Number 4. Igloo Automatic Self-Cleaning Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker. If you want a reliable, sleek, and convenient countertop ice maker, the Igloo Automatic Self-Cleaning Portable Ice Maker is an excellent choice. Designed for both style and functionality, this compact machine fits easily on your kitchen counter, RV, or outdoor bar while delivering fresh ice whenever you need it. One of its standout features is the large 2-quart water tank, enabling the machine to produce up to 26 pounds of ice within 24 hours. Enough ice to keep your drinks cold throughout the day at parties or casual get-togethers. The ice cubes are small to medium-sized cylinder shapes, perfect for cocktails, sodas, or any cold beverage, and it can make 9 cubes in as little as 7 minutes. So no waiting around when guests arrive. Portability is a big plus here, thanks to the sturdy carry handle attached to the unit. This makes it easy to move the ice maker from your kitchen to the patio. Number 3. EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. Next, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker in blue is a solid choice for making classic bullet-shaped ice cubes. It also produces ice fast, just 6 minutes per batch, with a 1.2-liter water tank and up to 26 pounds of ice daily. The ice cubes are smooth and don't stick together, perfect for ice drinks and snacks. This unit weighs just under 14 pounds and includes a sturdy handle for easy transport. Its noise level is impressively low at below 45 decibels, almost like a quiet freezer running in your kitchen or RV. The control panel is super simple, just add water, press the button, and you're good to go. It also has smart sensors to alert you when the ice basket is full or the water is low, plus a 30-minute auto-cleaning feature activated with a long press of the power button. This is an affordable and reliable model for anyone wanting great ice on demand without fuss. Number 2. Silonn Ice Maker Countertop. The Silonn Ice Maker is another top contender for portability and functionality. It can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes every 6 minutes, with a daily capacity of 26 pounds. What's neat is the option to choose between 2 sizes of ice cubes. Smaller ones are great for chilling beer or seafood, and larger cubes cool drinks quickly. With quiet operation and a transparent lid for easy ice level checks, this model fits well in homes, offices, or outdoor parties. Its compact size and lightweight design make it super portable. The user-friendly control panel allows quick operation, and the machine pauses ice making automatically when full or when water runs low. 1. EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. First up is the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. This model is perfect if you love that soft, chewable nugget ice, often called sonic ice. Ready to serve in just 6 to 8 minutes, it features a 1.2-quart water tank and can produce an impressive 34 pounds of ice per day. The ice is soft and crunchy, ideal for coffee, smoothies, or just snacking. What makes this unit stand out is its compact design with a sturdy handle, making it highly portable. The removable top cover and included ice scoop make cleaning and serving super easy. The smart, ice-full, And add water indicators keep you updated without guesswork. Plus, it features a 15-minute auto-cleaning cycle, which keeps your machine hygienic with minimal effort. The unit runs quietly at less than 50 decibels and is energy efficient, consuming about 3 kilowatt-hours daily. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best portable ice makers for 2025. Whether you want soft nugget ice or classic bullet cubes, there's something here for every lifestyle and budget. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and comment below with your favorite ice maker or what you want to see next. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.